Hi everyone, welcome back. So we're actually trying to do a grade remark, and yeah, so there's the very poor part. And frankly, I would have loved to do a VLOOKUP, but I think I can just use an if statement as well. And I can just come here again, Control A C. Hmm. So this time around, I'm looking at um H16, right? So I'll just go to this place, Control V. So $16, F16. And then that's what I want to replace with H16. And I'll do replace all. That's replaced. I'll just copy, Control C, come back here, um, Control V, and so it's saying the calculation is different. While that is true, because there's numbers, so I'm just going to say ifs. I'm not going to use any and. If this guy equal to um, a, right, we'll say excellent. If same dude is equal to b, um, is equal to b, would say very good, very good. If same do the same cell, that is this cell, equal to H16 equal to C, we'll say good. If this dude, if the same equal to D, right, we'll just delete this guy, we would say fair. Then I think if this guy is equal to E, we'll just say poor. Lastly, if it's equal to F, we'll just say very poor. And we are good. Oh, so it's telling me, huh, this is interesting. Let's gonna do this and see why is it showing me zero. Ha! So H16 FB, I don't know why it showed me that. So I'm using ifs, Control AC. I'm gonna do same guy, and oh, sorry, it's supposed to be G. Apologies. So this is G. Oh, sorry, I made a mistake. Control C. So here now, I'm just gonna copy this guy and just change here to G, and Control A B. Yeah, and now I'll just copy this, paste it here. No, Control Z, Control A V, replace all it has. Control A C, come back here, Control V, and yeah, so and yeah, so dynamic. So you can see everything is changing now. Ooh, Anderson, 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 Anderson. Anderson has um Anderson has a problem. So I think it's a trim issue. So I'll just trim this guy and wow. Control C, come here, right click, Control V, paste as um, values. Anderson did not change it for some weird reason. Okay, Anderson changed now because I reduce. Let me see. Where's Anderson? Where's oh, Daniel Anderson. So I'm going to look for Daniel Anderson and search for what exactly is wrong with it. Okay, so I'm going to go back to my data validation just to be sure that I'm picking the right thing. Click on enter. So for some weird reason, Anderson is showing me, Daniel Anderson is showing me error, which is a very good thing. So it means that where I was picking this guy from, Daniel Anderson is also having the same thing, which is the admission number. So I will just go back there, check where is Daniel Anderson. I have to really check. It's just weird. Go back here. Also, student profile, right? Go back to Daniel Anderson. Oh, enter. Come back. It's showing me the right thing. Oh, so every other thing looks fine. Oh, that reminds me. I think I would need to search and check. Okay. I want to assume every other thing is fine. You can do some testing and see. And so I think we are good now in terms of automation. So we can do the class, the age. Oh yeah, so the gender. I can come to student profile and add a gender, and I say gender here. Emily looks female, Michael looks male, Sarah female, like that. So I'm just gonna click and drag. Daniel looks male, Ashley, Jessica Martinez, yeah. Brian Carter. So I'm just gonna do it like this. The age too. Um, so I'll just make this, remove this gender, remove this, remove this dude, remove this, do a VLOOKUP. So I think I did a VLOOKUP there, right? Row number. So I'm just gonna copy this because I'm too lazy to adjust this stuff myself. So I'm just going to increase this to, I think, EFG. I only added gender, so I'll say EF, right? And I'll look at the fifth. Yeah, so female, and I'll do the same thing, Control V. So I think 2, if I'm not correct. Oh, SS2. Let's see. Oh, so 3. They do the 3, and the age is 12. So I can just make this in the middle, bring it here, depending on where I want this to be. Oh, I copied out my row number. This is interesting. Let's paste this back. 4, right? Row number 4 was 9. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. So yeah, we are good. And yeah, I think pretty much that is it. Laura, you can do testing. Go to Matthew. You can see male 11, and everything is done. And we have come to the end of creating this in a result management system in Microsoft Excel, you can just clean off all of this if you so want, and you can make it more dynamic, add more things. All of these psychometric skills you can. Pretty interesting stuff. In the next video, we're actually going to convert would you know would so this is Microsoft Excel, right? We would test run how to use it in SQL, just to load our database of student database in SQL, which is pretty interesting, pretty cool as well. So next video we actually do that, um or I'll make it a different series. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful day. I hope you guys would learn a lot from this.